For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. In recent years, drone delivery has evolved from a futuristic idea into a practical solution for transporting goods quickly and efficiently. From medical supplies to food and e-commerce orders, drones have opened up new opportunities for entrepreneurs. Starting a drone delivery business may seem complex, but with the help of free AI tools, much of the heavy lifting in planning, marketing, and operations can be automated or simplified. This guide outlines a step-by-step approach to launching a drone delivery business using free AI resources. Step 1. Research the market and define your niche. Before starting your business, identify the specific market you want to serve. Drone delivery is a broad field, and success depends on focusing on a particular niche, such as food delivery, medical supply transport, last-mile e-commerce delivery, or rural area logistics. Use ChatGPT, free version, to explore market trends and customer needs. Prompt: act as a business consultant and give me a list of profitable drone delivery niches in the United States, including estimated demand, potential challenges, and target customer types. You can also use Google Trends and Answer the Public to analyze what people are searching for in relation to drones and delivery. Step 2. Create a business plan with AI. Once your niche is selected, develop a business plan that outlines your mission, target market, revenue model, logistics, startup costs, and competitive strategy. Use ChatGPT for drafting a business plan. Prompt: help me create a detailed business plan for a drone delivery business focused on delivering prescriptions to elderly customers in suburban areas. You can also structure your plan with Notion AI for organizing sections like financials, operations, and milestones, or generate a clean summary in Google Docs using voice input and grammar correction. Step 3. Understand legal and regulatory requirements. Drone delivery is highly regulated. Familiarize yourself with FAA Part 107 rules in the U.S. and research local flight restrictions. You'll need licensed pilots, registered drones, and often a waiver for BVLOS, beyond visual line of sight, operations. Ask ChatGPT for help summarizing rules. Prompt: explain FAA Part 107 regulations for drone delivery businesses in plain English, including how to obtain licenses and waivers. Also, explore Do Not Pay, an AI-powered legal assistant, to draft basic legal documents like service agreements or customer disclaimers. Step 4. Design the service workflow. Plan how your delivery service will operate, from order placement to drone launch and package drop-off. Determine delivery radius, drone charging logistics, weather policies, and safety procedures. Use Diagram GPT, open source or hosted versions, to generate flowcharts or service workflows. Prompt: create a service flowchart for a drone delivery business that picks up e-commerce packages from retailers and delivers them to customers within 10 miles. You can also ask ChatGPT to simulate use case scenarios to test your workflow. Step 5. Choose the right drones and equipment. Research drone models suited for your delivery type. Consider payload capacity, flight range, battery life, GPS stability, and software compatibility. For most delivery businesses, multi-rotor drones with payload hooks or secure containers are necessary. Ask ChatGPT. Compare the best drones under $2,000 for short-range delivery of packages up to 5 pounds, including pros, cons, and vendor options. You can use Bard, Google's AI, or U.com AI for product comparison and real-time specifications from online stores. Step 6. Build an AI-powered website and booking system. A professional website helps clients place orders, schedule deliveries, and contact support. You can build a basic site for free using Wix, WordPress, or Google Sites, and integrate chat support with Tidio AI. To generate site content, use this prompt for ChatGPT. Write homepage and service page content for a drone delivery business specializing in delivering urgent medical supplies within a 15-mile radius. For booking systems, use Calendly or Zoho Bookings and integrate Zapier for automation between order forms and delivery dispatch notifications. Step 7. Develop an AI-driven marketing strategy. To get your first customers, focus on digital marketing strategies powered by AI. Create social media campaigns, email sequences, and online ads using tools like MailChimp, Canva, and Simplified, free versions available. Use this prompt in ChatGPT. Create a 30-day digital marketing plan for a new drone delivery business targeting local pharmacies and urgent care clinics. Ask ChatGPT to generate social media content calendars, blog article ideas, and cold outreach email templates for B2B partnerships. Step 8. Automate customer communication and support. Use AI chatbots to manage customer inquiries, complaints, and order tracking. Tools like Tidio, Crisp, or Chatbase allow you to build custom AI bots trained on your website content for free. Prompt for Chatbase setup. Build a chatbot that can answer questions about my drone delivery pricing, delivery zones, and safety policies based on my website content. Use Google Sheets plus Zapier for automating updates when a new delivery request is submitted through your website. Step 9. Test and improve through simulations and feedback. Before launching fully, test your drone delivery system in a controlled environment. Collect user feedback to refine routes, delivery timing, and customer communication. Ask ChatGPT, act as a customer and give me feedback on this drone delivery experience. Order a medical package at 10 a.m., drone arrived at 11 a.m., weather was cloudy, and delivery was made to the front porch. You can use Typeform or Google Forms to collect feedback for beta testers. Analyze results with ChatGPT. Summarize and prioritize the following user feedback for improving my drone delivery business. Step 10. Launch and scale with performance tracking. Once your model is tested, launch publicly and begin tracking KPIs like delivery times, customer satisfaction, return rates, and cost per delivery. Use Google Analytics for website traffic, Meta Business Suite for social performance, and ChatGPT for interpreting patterns. Prompt for analytics review. Summarize and recommend improvements based on this weekly performance data. Number of orders, failed deliveries, customer complaints, average delivery time, and drone downtime. As demand grows, consider scaling by expanding delivery zones, automating dispatch with AI route optimization tools like Grasshopper, or training new pilots using AI flight simulators such as DroneBlocks. Conclusion. Starting a drone delivery business may once have required a large team and significant capital, but with free AI tools, you can now research, plan, launch, market, and scale with unprecedented efficiency. From automating content to building systems and predicting customer needs, AI empowers solo entrepreneurs and small teams to take on ambitious logistics projects. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.